Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MyMike's subs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The MyMike's app is a convenient food ordering and rewards platform designed for sub-lovers who enjoy quick service and customization. Through the app, users can browse the full menu, customize their sandwiches with preferred toppings and bread, and place pickup or delivery orders at nearby locations. It also features the MyMike's rewards program, which allows customers to earn points on every purchase and redeem them for free subs and exclusive offers. Available on both iOS and Android, the app supports in-store pickup, curbside delivery, and integrates with location tracking to find nearby stores easily. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy ordering interface, fast checkout, and the smooth process of earning and redeeming rewards. The ability to reorder past meals, save favorite orders, and schedule pickups adds great convenience for regular customers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report app glitches during checkout, delays in reward points appearing, or occasional issues with store availability. Also, delivery options may vary depending on the region. In summary, the MyMike's app may be worth using if you regularly order from the restaurant and want to earn rewards while enjoying a fast, customizable ordering experience. However, if you prefer placing orders directly in-store or encounter technical issues, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.